Thank you for your order of our small tube labeling machines. Now I introduce how to install and adjust our machine. Come on! This part we call our small tube feeding device. So we can put all the small tubes in this part. And this roller will be spreading tubes one by one from here to that part. Okay, later I'll show you how to working. Okay, inside is our electricity box. Let us open it. It is now 100% completed. And here is our PLC. This part controls all the machines working. Frequency changer. One is for the conveyor, another for the blue belt, and another for our feeding device. And this part is a serving motor driver. This part is our main part. We call it labeling head. Okay, we've installed the label roll on the labeling head. Please remember from here to here. To here. We can push this ring inwards to fix the label. The label and this part is our sensor for detecting the labels. So this sensor can detect the gaps between the labels. This small tools is adjust the sensitivity of the sensor. Come on here its minimum and maximum. When the sensor is inactive, increase its sensitivity. Okay, you can see when the sensor passes through the gap. There will be flashing 1 times. This is correct. The function of this part is to peel off the labels. Then the label roll passes through the bottom of the iron plate. This is the drawing. You can see this part to teach you how to install the labels okay. In this part, we can adjust the height of the labeling head. This can adjust the front and back position of the labeler head. The function of this part is to enable the labels to be labeled on the bottles. We can move it away through here. Move it. Every time, we can put the one small tuber here. Now this plate cannot touch our tuber. We need to more closer our tubes, but cannot touch. This part of the label should never be extended to long. I will introduce in our touch screen. And this is the sensor for detecting our tubes. Let me introduce this part. This is a tube sensor control. Okay, now the green number is 16. We are setting green number 16. Now without the tube, the red number is 7. A low number indicates that the sensor only detected air, without the tubes. Let us put one tube here. Okay, now the light is flashing. Now the red number is the 27 or 28. It doesn't matter. So we can setting the green numbers between 7 and 27. Set the number lower than the detected number when a tube is present. and higher than the number when no bottle is present. So we can set 13/16 to 18. Just choose the median or close to the median is okay. It doesn't matter. We can press button of up or down to adjust it. Let us introduce the next part. Now this part will stick the label on the tube very tight. This is the blue belt. We need to change the blue belt. When you use for a long time, because constant touch with tubes will wear them out. Then we put one tube here for reference. Then we lock it. And then use this part to adjust the height of the blue belt. We need to let this blue belt hold down the tube, but not too tightly, to ensure that the test tube can rotate along with the movement of the blue belt. In this way, the label will be perfectly labeling on the tube without any bubbles. Next part is the conveyor motor. This conveyor motor is used to control the conveyor. This part is the roller for the different size tubes. We only need to take away and then replace it. You see, taking away it is very easy. Change another size roller on.